Hello, my name is Charles Keneally. I own and manage the digital office located on the main square of Clifton, the capital of Connemara. We provide a variety of office and digital services such as photo printing, graphic design, internet access provided by Eircom, VHS to DVD conversion, training and problem solving, and computer repair. Connemara is a popular holiday destination. People are welcomed here from all around the world. They come to enjoy the scenery and visit the local historical sites. Did you know the first non-stop transatlantic flight landed near Clifton? Well, more like crash landed near Clifton. Also, the first successful transatlantic wireless message was received by the Marconi station near Clifton in 1907, all the way from Newfoundland. Clifton is historically a town associated with connectivity and innovation. Yet today, there is no shop that sells phones in the town. Locals and tourists have to travel as far as Galway or Westport to satisfy their mobile communication needs. To re-establish Clifton's roots of connectivity by offering customers a comprehensive mobile service in the town. We are applying to the Eircom Boost Fund to help us stock mobile phones and receive training and support from the larger telecommunications company. So far, letters and emails to these companies have failed to get us much of a response. We would like to make Clifton the communications centre of Connemara once more. We even have space reserved for them in the shop. Thank you.